condenser side of your unit is going to be the plug for the power. So what you do is you'll wheel this away from the wall. The power cord is going to be zip tied here on the back, recessed into this little cavity. You'll cut this cable tie, use this cord, plug that into the wall, give it about 24 hours to make sure it gets down to proper temperature, and then we can start loading in beer. This unit's set up to serve 1 beer, 1 cocktail, and 2 red wines. That's why the faucets look that way. Inside of a box that's going to be inside your refrigeration unit, there's going to be a bag with your tap handles. And what you'll want to do is identify which ones go for beer. The black ones, we'll screw those on. And the silver ones will be for the wine and the cocktails. And those just screw on till finger tight. In transit, we don't fill these because they will spill. But inside of this glycol cooling kit is your glycol. You're gonna pour the entire contents of this bottle into this container and then add water to the max fill line that is on the side of the bottle here.